Hey Lucy, you ready for your morning walk? I wanted to show you my go-to favorite lunch, at least when I'm home. So I make a huge salad in a mixing bowl, and today I have tomatoes from the farmer's market. So that is amazing because I could live off of tomatoes in the summer. And then I will slice up a potato, either sweet potato or I really like yellow potatoes, and I'll roast it in the oven, cut into slices. And then this is just vegan mayonnaise mixed with some chipotle hot sauce. And then I almost always make my own salad dressing for the salad. Almost always I do. Yum, it's gonna be so good. So this morning I started Pride and Prejudice, and I did not think I would like it because last time I stopped reading it because I hated Mr. Darcy, but I'm kind of liking it now. So even though I still hate Mr. Darcy, by the way. So I think I'm gonna go to the beach and try and finish it. It's like the second time I've been to the beach today. It will be amazing. I was hoping to go to the beach today, but this is not happening. This is way too many people. Ooh, I'm just gonna go back home and sit outside or something, or maybe go to a park nearby. I just finished Pride and Prejudice. It makes me feel that I'm finally allowed to be on BookTube now that I have conquered that one. I haven't read anything else by Jane Austen, but I have read Pride and Prejudice. So now I will get all the literary references and all the bookish merch. It's gonna be good. I gave it 4 stars out of 5. It was good, but I did not love it, and I'm not obsessed with it. Yeah, I should do a review of it, so maybe soon. I just did something. I read Pride and Prejudice. Hey everyone, happy Wednesday. So I don't have my headphones on my walk today because it's gonna be a super quick one. My mom is coming over in a little bit. We're gonna celebrate her birthday a month after the fact. And we're gonna go to the beach, and I'm gonna make grilled cheese and roast some asparagus and make a salad with homemade dressing. And yeah, so I probably won't be able to talk about my grilled cheese while I'm making it because that would be awkward with my mom there. But my secret to grilled cheese is just starting with really good quality bread. I typically use sourdough, and I use vegan cheese on mine, so I guess using a good quality cheese would be a good tip too, but Most people would have regular cheese. And I think the other thing that I do that makes it amazing is on the bread, like the side that's touching the pan, I always put some roasted garlic powder that I have from Penzeys. And then lately I've been putting on the inside this like fig jam sort of stuff. So maybe I'll take a video of the ingredients, but I won't give like the directions when my mom is there. Oh, I forgot one other thing about the grilled cheese that's very important. I use a cast iron pan, and that like adds so much to it. Amazing. But we have to get to the beach really early because we basically have to be done by like noon or 12:30 because it starts to get crazy busy. And it's also a holiday weekend, so I don't know, like it's Wednesday. I don't think people are taking off for vacation yet, but like I assume we would get a lot of out of town guests this weekend, like just coming and swarming and being on our beaches. Actually, speaking of people coming from out of town, one thing I think is really weird is we actually have cruise ships that come to our town. And like I really like where I live. There's tons of nature stuff, but I don't know that there'd be enough to do like for a like cruise ship. I don't know. Like sometimes I see people just dropped off downtown, and like I could plan an amazing day for you downtown, but these people kind of seem like they're just like aimlessly wandering. So I don't know. But if you ever want to come to my town, I am like the best like Michigan travel guide. I'll give you the best places to eat and to go for nature stuff and the beaches that are the least crowded. I'm for real though about my offer to help you with Michigan travel plans. And it's even better if you're coming like from further south and you're driving, because I would give you like fun stuff to do all the way from like the bottom of Michigan, like the southwest part of Michigan, all the way up north. You could go all the way up to the UP if you wanted to. There's a boat that leaves from my town and it goes all the way to Wisconsin, and we just saw it leave, so it was kind of cool to watch because it was a pretty big boat, and then it just like, instead of like leaving the channel and turning and just going back and forth along Lake Michigan like most boats do, it just kept going straight like on its way to Wisconsin. So I was amused, and it was fun watching it. So there might be talk, instead of grilled cheese for lunch, going to the restaurant that is right somewhere. You can't see my finger. It's right there. Yeah, so we might sit outside and go to that restaurant, and I'll make myself grilled cheese for dinner. There's my mom, way back there. See her? I think she's on her phone or something. Gosh, you guys, I love the beach so much. It's so ridiculous. Hey, Mom. Yeah.
But I didn't like the book and the movie was okay.
Just got flagged by some deer. So that picnic table over there is where we came from. And the way we're supposed to go, or at least the way I think we're supposed to go, required us to go through all that water. It was like up to our knees. So I just went to the library, and I'm pretty sure it was Kathy who said she wanted to see the stained glass windows in our library. So like we're not really allowed to go into the stacks and stuff like that, or like browse. And so I just quickly took a secret video of them. So I hope that's okay. But when the library opens, like our library is amazing. So yeah, I really want to give you guys a tour or something. Also, another thing about our town, and I mentioned this in my last vlog, but we are on this History Channel show called The Curse of the Civil War Gold. And if you're a historian, let me tell you, this show is horrible in like the way that it looks at primary documents and the way it puts together historical events. Like it just does not make any sense, and it's obviously like all a conspiracy theory, but I still really liked this show just because like it takes place in my town, and I've been to a lot of the places that it mentioned there, including the underground tunnels. So yeah, so if you are wanting something to watch, I believe it's on Hulu, and it's really gripping even though you know it's fake. It's 6:30. I've not even gotten out of bed yet, and I'm going to read chapter 3 of Sacagawea so that I am on top of it today. Look at all the seagull prints. Here come the giant waves, and I probably need to move my chair. They don't really appear giant, but when you're in a chair trying to read, they do get kind of big. Last time I was reading with a real book, and it got soaked, and it was fine. There's the boat again, but this time it's leaving for Wisconsin.
I'm seeing what's happening over there. Coming over there.
So I'm gonna head home now. I think it's around 10:30, and normally the beach doesn't get busy till like 12:30. But it's already like way too crazy for me. There's like this group next to me, and they haven't all come yet, but there's like 8 chairs, this giant tent, and then 3 families like kind of got by me too. So I'm just gonna go home, hang out with my dog and read from home. But I was able to finish The Night Watchman, and I'll do a review of it. It was okay. I didn't love it. vegan scones. Trying to rescue a fly. So on my walk, I thought of the best idea for a readathon. So stay tuned if you want to join. It's gonna last an entire year, but you could join just for like 1 month. Each month will have like a different theme. And yeah, I'll make a video on it, but I'm really excited. So I finished 3 books yesterday. I was hoping to finish 3 today, but I got so sidetracked because on my walk, I thought of an idea for a readathon. It's kind of a hybrid actually between a readathon and a buddy read, because we are going to read one text together, which is These Truths, and then the other text will be our own choices. So yes, but the 3 books I read yesterday, I finished The Cuckoo's Calling, I finished The Night Watchman, and this is my favorite, I read In the Lake of the Woods. So I'm gonna wrap this up. I'm going to just get cozy, try and get some reading done, and just have a relaxing evening. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hey Lucy, do you wanna read? Do you wanna read? Hi Lyra.